My name is Mark Garretts and I'm with BlasphemyRibs.com. I'm the creator of Blasphemy Ribs, and in this video I'm going to show you my technique for lining the grease bucket with foil so the bucket doesn't get dirty. Now, when I first got a pellet grill and I first started using grease buckets, I just took the foil and I tried to push it in to the bucket, and it's really hard. It's not easy at all. You can do it, but sometimes you rip the foil and it doesn't come out all that nice. So what I'm going to show you is a different way of doing it. I'm going to get rid of that piece of foil. I'm going to grab a new piece of foil. Now, the foil that I use is the heavy duty Reynolds wrap, and it tends to come in these really long tubes, and it's not ideal because we really want to have a square, but it turns out in practical terms a rectangle like this works fine. It works just fine. So instead of trying to push it into the bucket like this, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the bucket over and we're going to use it as a template. Okay, and we're just going to put the foil on top, kind of get it centered, and just smooth it down the sides of the bucket like this. Okay, now my inspiration for this was I saw some people actually selling pre-made pieces like this for a lot of money, and it's not worth buying. Trust me, you can do it just like this. So now once you get it on the bucket, slide it off, and this is going to have short sides and long sides, and I like to put the long side by where the handle is so that if anything drips this way, it'll catch on the foil. Now, you're never going to get this much grease up to the edge here inside the bucket, so it doesn't matter if it doesn't cover the all insides of the bucket. So again, I'm going to put it in long side, kind of aligned with the handle. Just push it down as far as you can. It goes in pretty easy. Fold the top overs like this. Get this handle out of the way. Fold the other side down, okay, and then I think I did a better job of aligning it on this side, so when I hang it, this side is going to be up against the grill so the drips don't get on the bucket. And then when it comes time to empty it, you just unfold the sides, pick it up, wad it up, and throw it in the trash. So that's how I line a bucket, and I hope you like it. I've never seen anybody else do this, and as far as I know, I'm the only one that does it this way. If you do it this way, leave a comment and let me know, because I've never read it anywhere. Alright, so thanks for watching, and go to BlasphemyRibs.com. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I'm wearing a Blasphemy Ribs t-shirt. You go to BlasphemyRibs.com. You can order one of these shirts, go to the swag page. I really appreciate it. Help support the site. Thanks for watching. See you next time.